Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 29th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the pound yen, I keep thinking that this is going to start a downtrend for wave C, but I keep saying that the weekly is definitely still in an uptrend, and because the weekly is still in an uptrend, there's always a chance this keeps going up. We did make a very nice push down at a Fibonacci level, and it did break structure, but I would prefer to, really break structure. Normally, the end of a crescent should be very obvious. It should break structure with momentum. So we definitely still have to be a little bit cautious with our bearish analysis. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely a very strong move down. And if it makes like a double bottom break structure back up, I would probably go back to looking for longs just because of the higher time frames. But if this really is the end of like an ABC crescent right here, this is an A, this is like a running wave B, this is a C, then it perhaps will drift up a little, but then it will make like a three-wave overlapping pullback and another engulfing move to the downside for maybe more shorting opportunities. Like I said, it looks like it needs to go down on the 4 hour daily time frame, but we do have to remember that the very high time frames are still in an uptrend, and those very high time frames are definitely counteract anything you see on these very short time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.